Good day, my dear friends. Hope you're doing well. Thanks for popping by. This is just going to be a quick little video because it's Monday night and I'm already exhausted. I feel like it's been a whole week and it's Friday already. I have my husband to blame though. He's been snoring lately. Oh my gosh. So I have not been getting good sleep. All I'm doing is like poking him at night and trying to get him to turn around and shut up. It's been brutal. Love him to bits, but yeah, I don't know lately. I think maybe he's been eating too much and it stuffs him and then he can't sleep. I don't know, but I don't like it. Anyway, I'm here fast. I wanted to show you something. Yesterday was Sunday, and the day before we celebrated my dad's birthday at our house early. So a few days earlier, his birthday's actually on Wednesday. Look how cute. So I already printed the photos on my Canon selfie. I love that. Yes, they are a little bit more expensive, but I don't really care. It's the convenience that I love. So we did that, and I thought, okay, look at us all wearing the neutrals again. The neutrals. There was no color whatsoever, except my sister-in-law was wearing a light blue and white floral blouse. So she had some color, nobody else did. And I thought, okay, look. This is going to match beautifully with this Noteworthy Simple Page Kit. So I just picked this up. If you saw the one I did of my friend and my reunion, a few videos back, you would have seen me using the number 2 of this. That was perfect. And now, my friends, I can tell you this one is perfect. Perfect for this. Doesn't that look like it was made to be used for these pictures? There is a lot of that gold, like mustardy yellow gold. Well, that matches these balloons perfectly, does it not? So I picked up some of those colors in my little journal tabs, stuck them in here, pop dotted a bunch of the stickers. So I did it kind of like they said, pretty much. Kind of good enough. I did it as close as I could, but you know what the funny thing is? This is supposed to be a New Year's Eve kit. So nothing really screamed New Year's to me. Oops, I see that this turned. Nothing really screamed New Year's. I was able to do it for a birthday party, and that's what I did. And then this sticker here said Happy New Year. So it's Happy New Year in white and then Happy in blue in the back. So I just chopped it and used it like this. Why the heck not? So happy about that. I'm also so happy about this. My Creative Memories order came in. I had some credits that I was supposed to use them or lose them. And one of the things in there was this write-on sticker. So I'm just going to add my little dots on this and then my journaling's done. Isn't that fun, guys? So stay tuned. I'm going to show you my little tiny haul soon as well. But I just wanted to get this up. If you can buy these, I suggest you do. If you have a Creative Memories advisor, please buy it through that person. If you don't and you want some, I would be very happy if you would buy it through me. If you want, you don't have to, but look, perfect, right? Have a great day, everybody. Stay tuned for my little tiny haul. Ciao for now.